you want tonight, Josh? Some steak?
Oh, no, I'll eat whatever.
Steak sounds pretty good to me.
Italian, steak.
Italian sounds good too.
Yeah, I need a horn on this bad boy.
Oh, yeah.
Matt, you're good to back up.
Okay.
I think you can swing right around that circle drive there.
I believe so.
Harp, I'll let you lead, brother.
All right.
I don't know if you get around me right there or not. Frog, hands free. The frog man is driving.
Yes, sir.
That's the way we came.
No, this is a different one, but I think it loops around. I think it loops around out to a road or something.
Yes. Okay. All right, welcome back to Miller's Off-Road. We're just up here at Mount Magazine. We're right in the middle of a really good trail, and we're going to take you folks to see some pretty cool stuff on this episode. We got Roman the Frogman driving in front of us, Josh riding shotgun, and behind us, well, we've got the side-by-side. Matt's cruising in that, taking it easy. So we're on top of a ridge right now. Off to our left is a really cool overlook out there. We're just kind of riding this ridge. Josh, steak tonight?
Yeah.
Or Italian, or what's our other option?
American, Old South, maybe.
Oh, Old South, yeah.
Can't hear you.
Yeah.
You're good. You didn't see it. Okay, stay to the right side.
Ready
Or
for
actually,
some
yeah,
bumps,
right
Matt?
down the middle. This is good. Yep, you're good. Yeah. All right.
Have to get around that mess.
Yeah.
There you go.
You're good. Now that's a mud hole.
Yeah.
You're good. See how shallow it is right there?
Yeah.
Oh, hammer
Yep,
through
stay
that
on
stuff.
this right side.
There you go. Look at that.
Your shoes got wet.
It's fine.
The only pair of shoes you brought?
No, I brought another pair.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh, can y'all hear me?
Yeah, I hear
Turn
you.
a
Yeah.
little thing. Well, I think my Bluetooth just disappeared on me. Doggone it. I know y'all can probably hear me. I just can't hear y'all. I think my earbuds
Yep.
came
And now.
unconnected.
Yep, you're good. You're good.
Oh,
All right.
I'm back. Say something now. Yep, I can hear you
Yeah.
now.
Hello?
Okay.
Yep. That was random.
Yep.
Hello.
Yep.
Oh, yes. The key is to go fast through it, Roman. He's having fun.
It's like it was shallow, but it was actually a little deep, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So, like, you gotta speed up, but you don't.
Right. We don't want to get stuck. That'd
Yeah.
be bad. This is a nice little trail. Once again, you know, it's like, this is Mount Magazine, man. It's just pretty tame, you know? It's just good trail for the whole family, really.
Oh.
You're good. You see the grass in the middle?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you just got to floor it. Holy cow. Dude.
Sorry, bro.
That was awesome.
Yeah. You're doing it.
That was great.
Got a little lost.
Yeah.
Oh, sure you did.
Conditioning the skin.
Conditioning the skin. Yeah, most people pay for that kind of treatment. You know that?
Exactly. There's somebody went off.
Yeah, little overlook deal right over there.
Yeah.
Nothing of interest to us.
No.
Yeah.
Manhole.
Better go right through the
Shallow.
middle of
You
it.
see the bottom?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot down.
Uh-oh.
There, go through there. Turn right. Right in between these. Yep.
Matt, I don't know.
Yep. You're good. Now go this way. Yep. Keep. Yep. You're good.
Look.
We can probably just.
Oh, turtle shell.
Oh.
Oh, it's broke right in half.
Yeah.
He's so strong.
Yeah.
Strong woman.
Make good, man. Here's the right. Yep.
Yeah, right. Hey, do they make those terra crosses in different sizes?
They don't make them anymore. They're discontinued.
Really?
Yep, they're gone, dude.
What's on the new bikes?
A pretty good looking tire. I can't remember which one it is, but yeah, the Terra Cross days are done. From what I
So
understand.
we'll have to go to those other ones then.
Yeah, something.
I definitely want a fatter tire.
Oh, especially in the front. But Josh's is perfect right now to me. I'd be perfectly content with the exact same size that he's got on his, which is that's what I had on my Kawasaki, and I loved them. You know, it's one
Yeah,
size
so-
wider in the front and the back. And it's one
Is
size
it also-
taller, I think.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I think it is.
I couldn't remember.
Yeah. Either way, that's one of the downsides of these bikes. They come with great stock tires, but the front one is just a size too skinny.
Yeah.
They need to be a little bit bigger on the front.
Yep, I agree.
Got another one.
Yep.
Now that one I would definitely go fast through. I'd start going right now. Fast as you
He's
can.
messing with it. He's messing with you.
Oh, I love it.
Try to get me so thanks, boy.
Just do
I
what you
should know
do
what-
to me.
Fortunately, I'm still dry.
I don't know how.
It's parted the seat. Help it! Woohoo!
All right, folks. We're headed down a little hiking trail here. And it's a brutal walk down, but the reward at the end is really, really spectacular. Fantastic waterfall down here. So stay tuned. Roman's leading the way. Roman's just too excited. He can't believe it, can he? He likes it, don't he? Just to show you, go on, Matt. To show you how steep it is. Yeah, the video probably doesn't do it justice, but if the rope is any indicator, it's It's down a pretty good ways. But it's worth it. It's right off the trail. It's just straight down the side of the trail to get to this dude. And unfortunately, here's the thing about Mount Magazine. Mount Magazine is like the king of overlooks. You're not going to find more overlooks and better overlooks than you will at Mount Magazine. But they don't have very many waterfalls. Not easily accessible, that's for sure. Matt's doing the backwards procedure here. I'm going one-handed. I gotta film, folks. You know, I do it for you, for the YouTubes. Oh, it's a good one, folks. It's a good one. Oh yeah. Having to slow roaming down. He's just excited as can all get out. He's ready to go. Can't help himself. I don't know about you, Josh, but I don't think I'd ride my four-wheeler down here.
Oh, no.
Look at that, folks. It's a really good one. It's a really good one. This is top 5 for me in Arkansas. It's a really good one. And you know what? I'm just now thinking about it. I don't think we've filmed this on the channel before. I don't think we've shown this one. It seemed like last time I came down here, I didn't bring a camera. Was part of the problem. Look at that, folks. Woo! You don't want to slide down that mess.
That's slick right here.
Is it?
It's rock.
I got you.
This is why we wanted you to wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's slick as snot.
Yeah.
You might want to put that in your pocket.
I will. Yeah, I'm not going to mess with it.
Yeah.
I'm going to wait for you a little bit, Josh.
Are not.
They're not very good, are they?
Not for this.
Not for hiking.
Oh, geez.
Holy cow.
This is why.
You better be careful, Josh.
You're going to wait for the
I'm gonna.
rope.
I'll wait for you.
That's kind of...
Yeah, I'll wait for you. Thank goodness for the ropes. So just for context, folks, there's a reason these ropes are here. This is not for someone that's not somewhat athletic. Older folks need to be real careful and slow. But the reward at the end is absolutely incredible. I think I'll go back over here. Josh has found him a snake. Where at?
Oh, copperhead. That's a copperhead.
Oh, it sure is.
Looks like it.
That's a copperhead, dude.
I ain't messing with that sucker.
That is a copperhead. Wow. He's just chilling, ain't he?
Your face was really close to that.
Wow.
Dude, I thought the water would be too cold for it.
Yeah, I would think so too. That's crazy.
That's wild.
That's a copperhead, man.
That's a little one.
Yep.
They don't get rough. Oh, you get him a drink.
He getting him a drink, ain't he? This old boy just decided to move. Oh, look at that. Yeah, he's getting him a little drink. Wow. Yeah, he is. That's crazy. What an awesome waterfall, folks. If you'd like to know where it's at, you can always join our members only area. We're going to be sharing our tracks, our track data, GPS data from today. We're going to be sharing the waypoint that'll tell you right where to go to get to this waterfall. And yeah, it's a pretty cool section. We do guided tours by video, step by step. So we show you each and every turn along the way, and we'll show you how to get to cool places like this. So if you're interested in that, if you're having a trip to Mount Magazine and you want to ride ATVs or side-by-sides, check out our members only area. We'll show you some cool stuff. What'd you say, Josh? This rope makes it nice. Oh man, this is gonna suck. It did the last time and it's gonna suck this time. Time to go back up. Josh is leading the way. All right, we'll say goodbye to the waterfalls for now. Yeah, I probably would, man. Trying to walk through these rocks here, folks. Well, it's running good today. It's rare that you get to see it that good. Come in the spring, folks. That's my advice. I'm gonna stand down here below him, just in case. Yep. You gotta help the little guys. That's how you prevent accidents right there, folks. Matt's down here. I'm right here ready to rock. If he slips, just gotta be real slow and careful. Man. Oh, you go ahead. I'm coming. See how you do it here. Oh yeah, that's the way. All right. Well, folks, I'll see you at the top.
Yeah.
Boys, I'll tell you what, that was a hike up that sucker. We've done some work.
Totally worth it.
Oh, totally worth it. I just remember the ropes helping, and they did again. Great stuff. Great stuff. Back on the trail. That's the extent of the hiking that I want to do. You know what I mean? Like,
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm just totally cool with, you know, we call it motorized hiking.
Yeah.
That's what I like to do.
They burned up this.
Oh. Butthole.
That's
Oh,
a creek crossing.
I would
Oh,
recommend speed for that one.
It's shallow.
You know,
Can't trick him no mo.
you know that's what's feeding it, Matt, right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Guaranteed. Guaranteed. That, amongst another couple of them, probably.
Mm-hmm.
We're at a gravel road right now.
That's right.
So, which way?
Good dog.
It'll be to the left.
Oh, wait.
Well, just follow.
yeah, which
Keep
way?
going straight. Keep going straight.
Oh, okay.
Jump.
Well, here we are on a gravel road, and trying to get to our next trail. So, it's a necessary evil. That's what we're up to right now. And it's a little bit dusty back there, so they're kind of falling back. One just dropped off. Dusty, dusty. But the trails aren't dusty, so that's good. Now, if you come in the fall to Mount Magazine, unless it's rained the day before, it's going to be dusty, man. Look at that. Look at that Roadrunner. Holy cow. Oh, man, you guys just missed it. Wow. I've never seen one in real life, dude. I just seen a Roadrunner. That was cool. That was cool, man. He was right in the middle of the road. I got him on camera a little bit. That was cool.
Bro, we just saw a snake.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow.
He thought about eating it.
Man.
Time out here.
Yeah, I've never seen a roadrunner.
I've never seen one until just now.
Never seen one.
Got some moo cows up here. Check out that view, folks. Video doesn't do it justice, I'm sure. See above the horizon. Mountain range over there. Almost to our next trail.
Alright, Aaron,
Yeah.
I check one.
Want me to
two,
go?
I check one.
You
two.
go ahead, bud.
alright.
I don't see no red flashing light on the front of your camera.
It's going.
Is it?
Yeah. I see it. I don't know if this is going to be worth crap or not. Doesn't look like it, that's for sure. Hopefully it turns into
It'll
something.
find out.
I can't remember.
They had to have. Yep.
Of course, nope, right there's, that's radial tracks right there, dude. Look, they came through here. Sure did.
Really?
Yep. They sure did.
Oh, big butthole.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hold up for us, Rome.
Oh, hold on. There's something in the water. My kids. Where are they at?
You making it, man?
They're behind us.
Wait, can I see something? This way. But, wait.
Uh-oh. I bottomed out.
You bottomed out, man?
Yeah, hang on. I'm still moving. But there we go.
Wait for us, Josh.
Just wait. I got it.
Okay. All right.
Okay, Clark.
Sure enough, though.
I see.
Bottomed out on that.
Wow. On that little log or something? Root?
Yep.
That's crazy. All right, folks, I haven't filmed much of this trail because it's been just a gravel road. They listed as a trail. I couldn't remember. Oh, wow. What was that?
2 frogs.
2 frogs. That's why we call him Frogman, folks. He loves him some frogs.
We went underneath.
Did you really?
Yeah, we did. We don't have a pole on the back of ours, though.
Yeah.
The pole would have hit.
Those
Yeah,
Jeeps
it's
go
kinda
through this too?
They had to have.
Golly.
A fair bit tight.
Oh.
That is.
You gotta go right side, shallow.
What?
Right side.
Yeah, this is a cheap trail.
Hey.
I didn't remember it being like this, or we wouldn't have took it. Nice little creek to the right.
Yep.
Mud hole.
Yeah, but it's pretty shallow. See the
Yeah.
rocks.
Check it out, folks. Look at that view. Man, oh man.
Hey.